Mr. Garcia, in each of the cause numbers, did you have a chance to review the true bill of indictments with your attorney?
Uh, I looked at him, yes.
Whoa, we're jumping straight into chaos. Mr. Garcia already sounds confused about who his lawyer is. Courtroom confusion at the start. That's never a good sign. What would you do if you thought you had the wrong attorney on your case? Thinking face.
All right.
Wait,
So,
I was under the impression I had a different attorney. When I went to the PR, they told me Michael De Leon.
no,
Because
this
when
is
they
your
came to
attorney.
work with him the first time, I told him I didn't want him to be my attorney.
Well, this is your attorney,
I was
counsel.
satisfied with his service.
Well, he's your attorney. Do you understand?
I'm satisfied with his.
All right, the judge is breaking down a major point here. Possession versus ownership. A lot of people think if a gun isn't yours, you're in the clear. Nope. If it's within your reach or control, the law says you possess it. What do you think, fair or too strict?
I want to withdraw my plea because the indictments aren't correct anyways. I've never been convicted of a manslaughter. And it says I've been convicted of a manslaughter on there. I wasn't in possession of a gun. It was in the glove box of a car that's not even in my name, that I told them I would sign a statement saying that the gun belonged to the owner of the car.
No, so here's the thing, and I'm going to explain some things to you. Owning a weapon, if you have a prior felony, it's not so much whether you own a weapon, it's whether you're in possession of it. And it doesn't matter when you went to prison. If you went to prison, you're not allowed during specific time frames, during anniversary dates, you're not allowed to possess a weapon.
I was a minor, 1989.
Okay. All righty. Well, I mean, what are you talking about? What was from 1989?
The gun and the manslaughter that they're talking about. I was a minor. I was a juvenile.
So you are the person with the voluntary manslaughter. It was just when you were 15.
No, I never had.
You just told me you did.
Correct. That's what I said. What they're saying I had. That's wrong. I've never been convicted. So that indictment's not even correct.
You just told me that's who you were.
No,
you said when you were 15.
I said when they said I was 15. I was 15 years old, but they're accusing me of that.
Mm-hmm.
But I never went to court for that. I've never been convicted of that.
And the state's waiving that paragraph.
I did waive that, Your Honor. So
that's
I'm
from
not
Cleveland,
sure.
Ohio. That's not even from here.
Mm-hmm.
That's from over 20 years ago, man.
I understand that. I waived it. So we're not.
Now this is where emotions start to boil. Garcia's pleading for probation, saying others got it easier. This is that moment in court where personal frustration meets the cold logic of the system. Can you feel his desperation?
We're not accusing him of having been convicted of a voluntary manslaughter. We did
give me a chance for probation, but everybody else had the same cases. I'm listening to them today, the second-degree felony, and you're giving them probation and deferred adjudication. I haven't been in trouble in 20 years. I'm 52 years old. I go do 10 years. I probably won't even make it out alive because of all the gang in the prison. I've never been in trouble in Texas. Never. Never, man. But you won't give me a chance at probation, but you give everybody else that has a long record a chance at probation. And they have the same cases as mine.
All right. So I'll tell you this, Mr. Garcia. What I do know is you can't compare your case to somebody else's case because you don't. But here's the thing. You don't know what evidence they may or may not have had with that person because every case is different. Sometimes people will say, I can't believe this person who is charged with a murder got 5 years and here you are offering me 40 years. It's because every case is different. And I understand that sometimes people have changed their lives, right? And they want people to recognize that they've changed their lives. But I'm just dealing with cases before me.
Here's a crucial legal moment. The indictments. The judge is basically telling Garcia, these are your official charges, not your sentence. It's like reading the rules before the game starts. But notice, she's already preparing him for what's coming next.
Either I'm going to follow a plea agreement that you all have reached, or either I'm not going to follow the agreement. That's where we are. So, Mr. Garcia, The indictments are to tell you what you're being charged with. So in 2024 CR 0090-02, you're being